Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. So guys, today we will continue our challenge. In the last video we stopped right at $406 and let's carry on our trading session. From over here, the goal of challenge is reaching $100,000. I think we'll do that, guys. Today we use the following indicators. We got the alligator instead of the super trend, and alligator is also trend indicators. We are going to open our trades for the trend, and the RSI and fractal are going to help us monitor the correction and the market noise. So let's get down to the analysis and look what we got here on the charts. Here a good correction to the downside while the upward dynamics prevails. That's why we're gonna open a long position. We trade with the trend right after the correction. Let's underline the trend line. We understand as the touch takes place, and I think that the price is gonna break it because the RSI is currently in the oversold zone, and we see a good correction here together with the upward dynamics. That's why we open a long position here. Here I'm gonna wait for the breakout. There are around 25 seconds left before the closing, and I'm expecting the breakout at the end, and our position will be in profits. 10 seconds. Let's just focus on the candle movement. And our first position has been closed with a profit, guys. Nice level of trade entry. Breakout has eventually happened and we are in profit. The correction is over for now, and let's pick out the next currency pairs. Well, let's continue analysis. Here we see a small breakout. I can say the updating because the local low is happening here. So we wait for the candle to go up a little bit, and we open a position according to the trend direction. However, the second breakout seems to be happening. Look at this, guys. So let's wait for the second candle and then open our position. Well, and let's open a short position here. Select the workspace. We open with the trend, guys. All the moving average are facing downwards. Alligator jaws is above the price, and they tell us that the downward dynamics prevails here. And overall, according to the RSI, there is a small correction in the zone exactly that we saw here and here, after which the price movement should go lower. That's why we open a short position. And there are literally 20 seconds left before the closing. Very nice. Again, our position is in a profit. Great trade entry. We didn't rush things and waited a little bit. After that we fixed the profit. So far so good, guys, and we are not gonna slow down here. Let's find another currency pairs. Let's continue our analysis, and here we open another long position. Following the trend dynamics, we see the crossing of the moving average on the alligator, which means that the upward dynamics should dominate here. From this local low, we see that the price goes to the upside, and we can conclude that there is gonna be upward dynamics here, and basically we see the positive dynamics on the RSI. So we opened a long and we are waiting for the breakout. There are literally 20 seconds left before the closing. Our long position has been closed in profit, guys. It wasn't complicated at all. If we open with the trend, then it's gonna go smoothly. Let's continue trading. By the way, here also a good trade entry for a long, so why not opening here? We follow the price dynamics here. I will bring out a little technical analysis. After this flat, we see the price went down and then the support zone played out here. The local low has updated here, and from this point the price started going up. And the updating of the local high is here and another updating here. And in general, we understand that here is strong uptrend, and after this pullback, the price should continue going up. That's why we open the long position and we see the breakout. Besides, another position has been closed with a profit, guys. Obviously, I'm happy with the outcome. Let's continue. There is no stopping here. Let's find another currency pairs. We carry on our analysis. Support zone played out here, and theoretically let's open for short position following the trend direction. Also, we've seen a good correction. Actually, it's better to open right here, but if we point out the trend line, we see a nice touch here, and the following price dynamics should go lower. The alligator jaws are facing downwards. In general, we see the downward dynamics on the RSI, so opening a short position is the key to success here. Another position is in a profit, guys. Let's refresh the page and continue our trading in the session. We already got $7,000 on our balance, and we are gonna open 7,000 position, guys, and find another currency pair. For that, let's take a look right here. Let's open 7 long position, guys. I think the breakout is even here while having the upward dynamics on the chart. We open our trades following the trend. Look, guys, here is the crossing of the moving average, and every single on is facing upwards. The more upward dynamics prevails here. That's why we open a long position here, following the trend direction. Right after this pullback, also we see the positive dynamics on the RSI, and basically opening a long is the best option here. There are 20 seconds left before the closing. By now we are observing a good breakout, and let's wait for the outcome and watch the price dynamics. All the position and profit, guys. The breakout is gaining momentum, and we got almost $14,000 on our balance. Remind you guys that we started from $1. Would you believe that, guys? So we are not gonna stop here. Let's open another 5 or 7,000 position, and let's pick out another currency pair. Let's take a look at here, guys. Oh, look at this huge pump, and let's open a long position here without second souls. I think it's not typical to see such a pump on this kind of measured price movement. Touch of the resistance zone also takes place here, so let's highlight it on the charts. We also see nice volumes here, point out this impulse. And it looks very similar to what is happening right now. By the way, these two candles have the same closing level, and overall the price dynamics should go lower because of the flat situation. There are more downward dynamics, and after this correction the pullback to the downside is imminent. So we already saw the impulse candle, after which a correction or small pullback should follow up. And in general, we have a nice trade entry level. Final seconds, guys. And yes, all the position and profit, guys. We got almost $20,000 on our balance. Let's refresh the page. Okay, nice. Basically, we've already managed to achieve a great result. But let's open the final position for today. Let's take a look. So here, a huge impulse to the downside. So we catch him immediately and open our long position. I think we've caught a perfect trade entry level, brilliant trade entry, guys. And overall, we see the touch here is highly unlikely that our candle will go that low, like here, because the RSI is already at the oversold zone, and it looks like the crossing is gonna happen. We open our position ahead of the market, and this correction here, after which I'm expecting to see the impulse to the upside. There are around 15 seconds left before the closing of our position. Let's watch, guys. So the final seconds before the closing this is very intense, guys, and yeah, out the position and profit, guys. We got 25,000 on our balance right now. There we go, guys. That's how we trade, and this is where we stop for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.